at me. Hello, look at me. Who are you? Who are you?
My name is Leo. My name is Leo.
I am Mia. I am Mia. What is your name? What is your name? Can you spell it? Can you spell it?
Your name is funny. Your name is funny.
How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. You look very old. You look very old. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Vietnam. I am from Vietnam. I am from Vietnam. Are you an alien? Are you an alien? Are you an alien? Where do you live? Where do you live?
I live in a box. I live in a box.
What is your job? What is your job?
I am a lazy student.
Do you like school? Do you like school?
What is your hobby? What is your hobby?
I like sleeping all day. I like sleeping all day.
Wake up right now! Wake up right now!
I love eating big pizzas. I love eating big pizzas. Are you hungry now? Huh? Are you hungry now? Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet?
I have a fat cat. I have a fat cat.
My cat is very lazy. My cat is very lazy.
Do you play video games? Oh, do you play video games?
You are a big loser. You are a big loser. I am very smart. I am very smart. Can you speak English? Can you speak English?
Your English is terrible. Your English is terrible.
I am just joking. I am just joking. You are very tall. You are very tall. I am very short. I am very short.
Look at my big eyes. Woo! Look at my big eyes.
Stop staring at me. Stop staring at me. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? Your shirt is so ugly. Oh, I know. Your shirt is so ugly.
I want to be friends. I want to be friends.
Give me a high five. Ooh. Ooh. Give me a high five. Hold my hand. Do not be so shy.
It is time to sleep.
Meow.
It is time to sleep.
Say goodbye to me. Say goodbye to me. See you later, alligator. See you later, alligator.